Hey there, it's lunchtime, and I was just thinking about how I wanted to pass on a tip to you guys about batch cooking for lunch meals. If you are new to your food plan and we've been working together for a while and you are starting to incorporate some new healthy foods into your plan, I just want you to know how easy it is to take maybe 30 minutes out of your entire week to make a bunch of little lunches just like this one. I spent some time roasting up some sweet potatoes in the oven, which basically they just cook themselves. Of course, I just scrubbed them, put them in the oven on 350 degrees and cooked for about 45 minutes. And then I just chopped them up. I sauteed some kale and some fresh chicken breast with garlic and sea salt. And I just put these together. This will make about 6 lunches, which my husband and I can take for work this week. And this is perfect because it can be easily heated up, maybe in the toaster oven or your microwave at work. You can even eat it at room temperature, which I usually do because I don't like the microwave that much. Just a quick reminder that you don't have to grab takeout, that you don't have to go through the drive-thru, that you don't have to go to the vending machine. You can spend 30 minutes on a Sunday night, maybe on a Monday afternoon when you get home, and whip these up for the week. So I hope this helps, and I hope you had a great lunch. Thanks.